video you will see how to combine two columns in Excel with a space between them. As you can see, I have here first name and last name, and I have combined them together with the space in between. In the first method, just click inside the cell and type equal to on your keyboard, and then click on the first cell and type the and symbol, then inverted comma. Press spacebar on your keyboard and then close inverted comma. Type and symbol and then click on the next column you wish to combine. Once done, press enter on your keyboard. So this is method 1. In the next method, type equal to and type con and select this capability function concatenate, then click on first cell, comma, open inverted comma, space, close inverted comma, comma, and the next cell you want. Close the brackets and then press enter to combine the names. You can also drag the cell down to apply the formula to the preceding cell if you have multiple names that you want to combine together. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Excel. See you again in the next one.